The manager of a grocery store selected a random sample of 11 customers to investigate the relationship between the number of customers in a checkout line. Data were collected in the number of customers in line who were in checkout. The data was shown in a scatter plot with a corresponding least squares regression line.
To conduct this experiment, we're trying to figure out the time it takes customers to start and finish checkout with numbers of customers ranging from 1 to 7 in front of them.
To do this, we'll be purchasing one item in each trial and recording the amount of time it takes for one of us to check out with said number of customers in front of us.
This experiment will ultimately repeat on for 11 trials of one customer waiting to purchase their items with a random sample of customers in front of them also purchasing items each trial. I think we're good.
Trial 1 total time, 48 seconds. Trial 2 total time, 2 minutes 19 seconds. Trial 3 total time, 2 minutes 46 seconds. Obviously there's more trials, however only 3 were shown.
Blowing heels. I'm gonna have to.
Oh.
Okay.
So,
Ray, I'll have to ask you to leave.
oh,
I'm sorry, sir.
all right.
We'll follow you this
We're
way.
sorry.
We're very sorry, man.
We're sorry, Ben.
Great day.
You too. So, to identify and interpret in context the estimate of the intercept for the least squares regression line, we found that the intercept had an estimate of 72.95 seconds. Means that if there are no customers in the line, the predicted time to finish checkout is 72.95 seconds.
So, identify and interpret in context the coefficient of determination. So, the R-squared value of 73.33% means that about 73.33% of the variation of time to finish checkout can be explained by the least squares regression line of customers in line.
One of the data points was determined to be an outlier. Circle that point on the scatter plot and explain why this point would be considered an outlier. The point that is considered an outlier One of the data points was determined to be an outlier. Circle the point on the scatter plot and explain why this point would be considered the outlier. This point would be considered an outlier because its value is very far from the predicted value of the least squares regression line, as previously stated. The point's value is about 100, while when there are 3 customers in line, the least squares regression line predicts a value of about 600. So see how that doesn't add up, right? Cheers.
Hey, you there? How'd you like our video? Be sure to drop a follow. Video edits by Deagles. Good work, Sling. If you're not already entertained, take a look at some of our bloopers. Hashtag skit on German trip.